Okay, so Karuna, there's one number you can directly call to them. Okay. So Sujit Media Service, he is asking what class available right now, offline or online. Sujit, we have our institute located in Kolkata. So if you are in Kolkata, then you can do obviously offline courses, or you can go to Kolkata. If you are not in Kolkata, you can go to Kolkata. You can take offline classes. But right now, most of our classes are online only, so that you can be in your home only and you can do all the courses. Our all the courses are available online now. Whenever you're free, you can do the online courses. The timing is not a boundary. So yes, I will go to Kolkata. Okay, yeah. If you are in Kolkata, then it's better to take offline classes. We have our institute in Belgoria in Kolkata. But obviously, for other people, whoever is not available, not staying in Kolkata, they can take online classes. And we have our some student from Bangladesh also, that is out of country. So we have our student from Bangladesh also. So it's not a problem of the place. Obviously, any time, anywhere, you can go and do online classes. And all our courses are available in online mode. So everyone, our website address is there in the chat box. You can go to that address and find out all the details, all the numbers, and you can go and find out details about all the courses and who all are the mentors. Like me and Sandipan are the mentor over there for lighting and compositing and digital painting. Then we have other mentors as well in that page. You can go to mentor page and you can find out all the details about the mentors who are gonna teach you guys, and about all the courses detail you can go and find out. Can you tell me the use of architecture in the VFX industry? See, VFX industry and architecture industry both are two different industry altogether. There is no use of architecture in the VFX industry. Obviously, if you can do architecture modeling, then there's a use of 3D model in the VFX industry. But architecture like AutoCAD, if you are talking about the AutoCAD in architecture, then there is no use of AutoCAD in the architect VFX industry. AutoCAD is used for architectural work only. And VFX is altogether different softwares like Max, Maya, and any other. There are a lot of softwares in VFX, Nuke, and a lot of software. But architecture and VFX is different industry altogether. Okay.
No, but if someone wants to be in his career in a architecture firm as a designer, is a as a 3D artist, he can be a part of this thing.
Yes. In this, our in Click Academy, we have architectural course also. We will teach you Max, that is architectural for architectural modeling. We will teach you AutoCAD, that is for architectural designing. So we have all the architectural courses as well. And if you do architectural course in Kolkata, easily you can find a job. Architecture 3D. Yes. Architecture 3D. If there is nothing like architecture 3D. 3D is 3D. That if you do any 3D building model that you can use in
The process
like
is same for everything.
yes. 3D is same for everything, but the process is different. In architecture 3D, we use Max. That is different software. For production for CG VFX, we use Maya. That is different software. But obviously, in both software, you can do both the work. But yes, for 3D architecture, you can we have the courses you can learn. Muhammad Ali, some Hollywood movies like Oblivion, The Passengers, they have incredible interiors and sci-fi structure. Is there any benefit with architectural courses? See, if you do AutoCAD, I don't think there's any benefit to work in this kind of movies. I think whatever in this kind of movies, Oblivion, Passengers, whatever movies you're saying, I think all are done in Maya only. There is no architectural thing. I think obviously if you go and Oblivion like that flying helicopter thing in Oblivion movie, obviously if you know architectural designing, then obviously it will help because that is properly designed in every way. So I think you might, but I think that is very advanced level designing. So with basic architectural courses, I don't think you can go and work on those kind of movies. Sandeepan, what do you say? Architectural modeling will
No,
be used
if
in
we know,
VFX?
if we know the architecture designing, no, that can help him, of course. But if he don't know that what is architecture designing and how this thing works, I mean, the all process. So that is just good for nothing for our industry. But he
No,
has,
he's saying he's an architect himself.
so just if he can do the he can work for a architecture firm or for the movies, they can take help of any department, not only for the architecture, right? Okay. For the
Yes, yes,
anything,
yes, yes.
any specific, what is it called? Specialized person is required, no, they will hire this
Yes, yes.
kind of people.
For some movies, they use scientists as well, right? Like
Yes,
movies
yes.
in Interstellar, they sit and talk with scientists as well. So obviously, if, for Oblivion, I've seen that movie Oblivion, and that flying drone kind of thing that has so many detail, so many architectural detail on that. So yes, obviously in those kind of movie, architectural visualization, 3D visualization, it will help you. But I think the modeling process and taking the output process, it's different than the process you guys use in architectural. That process is different, but obviously the knowledge will help a lot. Yes, I think that answers your question, Muhammad Ali. But with 3D architect courses, I think you need to learn other 3D some softwares also as well, so that there will be no boundary for you. I think only architectural software. I think in India, I don't think there are any company hiring architect as a VFX artist. But in outside, it's there. But I think the boundary you know. No, I want to go in cinema industry. I don't think in India there is no direct
you
job.
you have to get the knowledge of 3D.
Yes, yes.
Definitely,
No, no, he has
definitely.
knowledge of 3D, but movie making is altogether a different process. You need to learn that
Mm.
process first. I
Yeah,
think you
that is
have.
what.
Yes, yes, yes. So if you want to go to cinema industry, then obviously you need to learn other software as well, like Maya, like modeling. If you want to do modeling, then the Maya modeling, then any other software. In 3D, there are a lot of department. Like in architectural, also there are departments. Like in 3D, CG, gaming, and VFX, also there are a lot of department. So you need to choose your department in cinema industry. Which department you want to go first? For those department, there are separate softwares. You need to learn those softwares. But there is in India right now, there is no direct job for architect in cinema industry. In outside, maybe it is there. In Hollywood, maybe you can find out jobs. But in India, right now, it's not there. So you need to learn others 3D softwares.
Software.
So Mohammed Ali, you can call to the Click Academy and you can ask them what are the courses they have and what will be the uses of those courses in whatever the vision you have. Okay. So you can call them after this meeting or tomorrow. You can go and call them. So Sandeepan, you are adding some fog and the motion blur on the character, right? You have added.
Yes, I have added a little bit of motion blur, and my this is not my subject, right? I mean, this all are not my subject. My subject is directly this one,
Okay.
so that's why I am just reducing the, what is it called, detail in these areas. Uh, get good effect. I mean, if I have some more time, I will add good details in this thing. The ground and everything. That is a bit. time taking process. It's a pretty rough thing, I can add small detailing.
So Mohammed again he is asking, I have some skills with VFX work. Can you look into this? I wanna with architectural thinking. Is there any benefit in cinema industry in sci-fi movies? Muhammad Ali, obviously there are benefits if you know any 3D software, obviously, and if you want to learn any other 3D software, obviously you'll get benefits. If you want to work in movies, sci-fi movies, obviously there are benefits, but that is not the only thing. It will help. You need to learn the other softwares as well. Like this scene you are showing, this is created in Blender, I think. This is looking good, but like this Blender software also, there are other softwares also. If you want to do any complex scene like any other movies, then obviously you need to learn. There are 4 5 other softwares as well. As per your requirement, softwares are there, so you need to learn all those softwares also. Black Magic Fusion.
Is that fusion is from Black Magic? I don't know.
No, I
No, it's
think
Eon, na?
no
Eon
Black
kind of.
Magic. I think it's different software.
Acha, acha.
Blackmagic Design is an Australian digital cinema company and manufacturer based in Port Melbourne. I don't know.
No idea, dude.
Okay. Okay.
If
So
you know this, please let us know so that we can
yes,
also learn it.
yeah. So Blackmagic, we don't know. We can tell about it. Fusion and Autodesk 3D Max. Fusion is a 3D compositing software. Like Sandipan was talking about Nuke, he was talking about plate compositing. So in Fusion also you can do that. Fusion is a same kind of software like Nuke. But in today's time, Fusion, not many companies are using Fusion. Everyone shifted to Nuke. I think 7 to 8 years back, Fusion, lot of companies in my own company, Maya, that was Maya, they were using Fusion. But nowadays, every company shifted to Nuke. Nuke is more advanced software, and you can do 3D compositing as well in the Nuke. 3D, like in this Sandeepan was talking about those things. It's available in Fusion, but it's uh, more properly you can do it in Nuke. So nowadays every company is using Nuke. And Autodesk 3D Max, same software as in Maya. Both are in Autodesk companies also. 3D Max mostly are used in architectural, like Muhammad Ali is himself is an architect. So he know what is 3D Max. So 3D Max is an 3D software. Obviously, 10, 15 years back, if you see any kind of movie like King Kong and all, those are done in Max, 3D Max. But nowadays, 3D Max are only used in architectural form only. For 3D production for movies, TV series, nowadays, people are not using Max. People are shifted to Maya because Maya is more user friendly and for the cinema purpose, for architectural purpose, people still nowadays people use Max. And I think there are other 3D software as well for architectural, but yeah, that is all about Max. And about Black Magic, we don't know what is this. Is this kind of a software company name, a studio name? I don't know. If you know, you can tell us. We don't know anything about Black Magic.
We know Black Magic, but not
We
not
know
not
Black
not as a
Magic, but
software.
yes,
Not as
yes,
a
not as
software.
a software or any studio name. Fusion is a
So I
Ion
am
Fusion.
okay.
Uh, Fusion is
No,
Ion Fusion. That is different company like Autodesk has Max and Maya. Ion has Fusion, but Black Magic we don't know. Yes, Sandipan, you wanted to say
no,
something.
I'm just adding small details so that you will get a good
Okay.
result. I have added a little bit of lights and all. Maybe it's very difficult to show something very short in a very short time. This artwork can is required at least 2 days, to with a proper detailing and all.
So in your company, whenever you do any artwork, you put this kind of detail or more detail is required.
More
In
detail.
okay.
Of course, more detail. Hmm. Is not enough.
Okay, okay. So for those detail, you are getting 2 3 days or 1 week time, right?
Yeah, definitely. We'll get the time and then we will discuss on it. We will review it. We will see in the big screens. Then think about it. Think about the colors. This color is good. This color is bad. This kind of stuff. So that is a very long, I mean, a good time required.
Okay. Okay. So Sandipan, I'm requesting you by the end of this session, can you please show us some of your work as well, whichever you worked in a company or any personal work, what are the work you did?
Oh, okay. I'm not
So,
prepared. I
so
have that I can.
you can go to your personal page and you can show us only 2 3 work so people can understand what is the uses of this kind of images in movies on or
Oh,
anything.
okay. Yeah. I will show you my blog spot. That will be. I mean, that
Yes,
is
yes, that will help.
good enough.
The flying character, it was looking good.
Yeah. Fantasy. Fantasy. No, we can add the depth. We can create the depth. No, we can add little bit of characters in the behind.
Mm.
That can create the what is it called? The depth, the perspective, and everything, right? So I will color correct it also. I mean, I don't like this the brown everywhere. I will make it little bit of bluish maybe. Let's see how far I can push. So how much time we have, Habib, left?
It's already over. Like we have another 10 15 minutes. We can extend.
Okay, cool.
So by the time, whatever you can do, you do it. Then we'll see some of your work and then we'll conclude.
Okay, perfect.
So guys, this is your last chance to ask any question if you have. In another 10 15 minutes, we'll be done with everything and then we'll close. So before that, if you have any questions, Sandipan is color correcting. By that time, I can give you some answer. If any question you guys have. Muhammad Ali, do you know that the some Bollywood movies or series like in which the whole city is designed like Tron, Inception, or many more, do they hire architects or just Okay, Muhammad Ali is asking in Hollywood movies like Tron and Inception, do they hire architect modelers? Uh, Muhammad Ali actually architect. I don't think they directly hire any architect modeler. They get the concept done from architect, then they model it in different software.
Yes.
The basic structure and the concept, like you do for any building, they do it for any prop or any vehicle or any building. They do it in architect software. They can do it. There are other options also to do it, but obviously different companies use different software. They can do it in uh, the basic uh, yeah, design. They can make it in architect software, but I don't think architect 3D model are used in VFX movies. Yeah, getting the design done in architect software, then after they are doing the 3D part in 3D software, like in Mac, like in Maya or any other 3D software, ZBrush or anything. They're getting the model done in 3D software, not in architect software. And Saurabh there, he's asking after VFX graphics course software में लिखा है. I think Sandeepan, we are having some issue with our courses detail uh, in our page. He's saying that Blackmagic Fusion is written in our courses detail only.
Uh, is he talking about the DNP thing?
No, he's asking VFX courses. In our VFX graphic courses,
So
the
I think just better to contact with our in our number. Just contact with our counselors. She will help you for this kind of things. The all the details, because we don't know all the details about the VFX. Uh, I mean, our VFX mentor can help you better, I guess.
yes, yes, yes. But I think there is some mistake. There might be some mistake. We don't know. But obviously, you can call to them and you can get a clarification on that thing.
Yeah. Better to talk to them, and then you will get the clarification for
Okay.
sure.
So
If we
Muhammad
if we
Ali.
if we did some mistake, and then we will correct it for sure.
Okay, and we'll thank you for that.
Yes, of course.
So an architect with 3D knowledge in Maya and all animation software is more valuable than others. Obviously, if you know more software, Muhammad Ali, that will be more valuable. If you know only 3D software, only suppose Sandeepan is doing, Sandeepan was saying he's learned Photoshop as a DMP artist, but nowadays he's learning new for advanced image projection or advancing. Obviously, it will help Sandeepan to achieve more quality in lesser time. So like that only, if you know after architectural 3D softwares, if you know 3D softwares, VFX 3D softwares also, obviously it will help. And if you want to do job in India, obviously that will help. If you know more software, if you have more knowledge, that will help you more. So perfect job. So Sandeepan, we are done with the questions. So you are doing all the CCs, final CC, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, for the time being, I'm just color correcting it very quick so that I can get a good looking output or something. Uh,
Okay. Yeah,
pretty.
this is already looking too cool. Cool means not the color cool, the good. This is looking very good.
You means nice. Yeah.
Yes, it's
Say
nice.
it proper, no, dude, so that I can also understand.
I used Maya as Premiere and Maya PS, Premiere and ZBrush and PS to make some 3D project that I started. Kenisha is talking about I used Maya, PS, Photoshop, Premiere and ZBrush to make some 3D project that I started. Yes, that is fine. No, Maya, Premiere, ZBrush, those are enough to create any 3D project. I don't know if you're asking something or telling. If you're telling, yes, that is enough. If you're asking, then I think you need to ask
If
little
you are
more.
saying that you know all these things, this is very nice. Just keep updating yourself.
Yes, yes,
Join
keep
with us.
updating
We will
yourself.
also help you for sure.
Yes, yes. But in India, I
Not much
hardly know
better
who
softwares.
who
Yeah.
is recorded architecture like in Hollywood movies. Yes, Muhammad Ali, that is what I'm saying. In India, I don't think we, for any movies, we use architect as an advisor or as an worker or as an artist. We don't use in Indian movies, don't require that much quality or that much planning for the business modeling or set designing, whatever. In Indian movies, we don't have that much budget to hire an architect separately and pay them. Yes, outside Hollywood movies, obviously they have the budget. That's why they use the best person on the field. But in India's movies, they don't use any architect. Which Photoshop is better for this work? PSCC 20 or PS Premiere? Sandipan,
Hmm?
which Photoshop is better for this work? PSCC 20 or PS Premiere?
What is that PS Premiere?
PS Premiere, that I don't know. Photoshop Premiere or something?
I don't know.
I don't know. So you tell us what are the softwares you use and
Anyone, any updated version from Photoshop Group.
okay, any
Anything.
updated version.
Yeah. I mean, anything you can use.
Or is there anything Premiere or Pro software, Premiere software, full software?
I don't know do Premiere kind of thing, but
Okay,
I
okay.
have the basic. I have the basic. What is that called? Photoshop, and I can manage it. I can manage this has enough to. What happened that Photoshop when they the update the software the Photoshop the basic was always same any software, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the basic was always same. So just this is not about that which software should I use, this one or that one. It's not like that. I mean, if you know the base, if you have the good base of the software, if you have the good basic knowledge of the software, you can do it, right, Abhi?
Yes. Actually, still I use Photoshop CS3, and that is pretty good. That is working pretty good with me. I mean, the uh, kind of output, the kind of work I do in Photoshop, that is enough for me. But obviously, if you are working on this kind of project, matte painting, obviously, it's better to use the updated software. But there is not much change.
Whatever is upgraded available for you,
Yes. Whatever is
just
available for you,
yeah.
you can use it. But there is no boundary like that. You have to use this software, this version only. There is no boundary like that.
So yeah, like I can add I mean more details, but the thing is that this kind of light heat we can
Yeah. Rim
light heat
light,
we can
rim light.
add light heat we can add. So we can so one more thing we can add. I mean, what I was thinking, we can add this kind of a bloom.
Yes.
So this doesn't have any texture or anything. That's why it looks pretty flat kind of. I mean, for me, I mean, I can we can do it much better. Look how this is how this is.
Yes, that is it. Now the light source is visible and the
Yeah, how this is incorporated. So I can keep it in top of everything.
yes. Now the character, the background character also matching.
Mm. So I mean, this is how it works. That we don't know that what is I mean, which one is the correct one, which is the correct mode to use.
Mehak Makkar is saying, what is the course fee? I can't find on website.
No, no, no.
Uh,
It's not there.
Makkar, the course fees are not mentioned in the website. You can find out the number. We have the number, or you can give your number to us. Then our uh, okay, Click Academy, they'll contact you, or you can find out the number and you can call directly. So they'll be guiding you with every all the details.
So Habib, we can play like this. I mean the this kind of lighting, no? We can
Yes.
we can play how much time we want.
It is after this part, then we can sit another 2 3 hours and work on this image, right? To fine
I
tune
am
it.
not only 2 3 hours, dude. I mean I can spend a week to develop it. I mean,
Okay, okay.
yeah. I mean the more time you can give, no, then you will get. I mean the revised output as usual. This is not for the the this thing only. This is for everything. I mean, the more time you spend, and you will get the more output. I mean, more good quality.
So Sandipan, I have one question. Does it happen to with you? Like, suppose after this much effort, you're thinking that no, the base model is not working out. I need to change the base model. I need to change one building position. Then what
Yes,
is the
yes,
process?
yeah. That
In
is
the
that
basic
is.
in the basic version, it was pretty easy to change the position and do a scaling, rotation,
So
whatever.
that's why I kept everything in separate layer. No, I told you no in the
Yeah.
before. So I'm keeping everything in separate layers just because of this thing. Now you can see the light source, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
I don't know why my PC is hanging every time.
Yeah, so many layers.
Yeah, so many layers. So yeah. I also have to optimize it, but I didn't do it.
So what is the process of optimization, Sandipan? You follow?
Nothing. Just merge the layers and keep it as simple as possible.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
This is the basic rule of optimize the layers. So that is all actually, Aviv. I am just concluding. It's better, I
Yes, guys, so we have come to the end part. So if you have any more question, you can ask. Otherwise, in 5 to 3 more minutes, we'll finish. The output is done. I think whatever Sandipan wanted to say, everything is done.
no.
I
I
hope
can
you
no.
guys
As per
learned
the
a lot.
time is concerned, this is done.
Yes, yes, yes. So if you guys have any more question related to this artwork or any courses and anything, this is the last time to ask. Or now I think Sandeepan, they can directly switch on their mic and directly talk with us if they
Yeah, no
want.
problem. No problem.
Yes, yes. Now we're done with the hard part. Now we can talk. Now we can have a chit chat with you guys if you want. Yes, yes. Ayush Sharma is asking, show us Sandeepan's work. Yes, yes. He'll be showing us
Okay,
some
okay,
work.
okay. Yes. I just forward.
And
Sorry.
by the time we can discuss some other thing also if you guys want have anything. इफ यू गाइस आर अगर आप लोगों को हिंदी पे पूछना है तो हिंदी पे भी पूछ सकते हो यू आर कंफर्टेबल উইথ বেঙ্গলি অলসো কাউকে যদি বাংলাতে জিজ্ঞাসা করতে হয় তোমরা বাংলাতেও জিজ্ঞাসা করতে পারো কেউ যদি বাঙালি থাকে হিন্দি ইংলিশে কমফোর্টেবল না থাকে তাহলে তোমরা বাংলাতেও জিজ্ঞাসা করতে পারো
That's all. Only,
হিন্দি
only, only this three language, dude. I mean,
yes yes in the last meeting someone was asking can you please teach us in Tamil. So no, these three languages are there. We can teach you in Bengali, Hindi, or English. And Sandipan, I think Kanisha was asking how much time give to done work with creation, matte painting, and production industry. Yes, he's asking how much time you get to do a matte painting in your studio and or in production work.
That is depends. That is depends on short. That is on the client mandates and everything. I mean, that is not there is no any hard and fast rule or kind of thing. Okay, this much
Yes, yes,
time
yes,
we will
yes.
get,
Actually,
but
not in
definitely we will get enough time.
yes, yes. Actually, no, in not in only matte painting, Kanisha, in the creative industry, creative field, obviously there is no time bound to do anything. Obviously, you if you want a good quality output, detailed output, then you need more time. If you want a very less output, then obviously you'll get less time. But you'll get enough time to finish your work. Whatever the quality you have, you'll get enough time.
So I'm just sharing my blog now.
So Sandeepan work, I'm waiting for the industry give how much time to complete or what are the steps in pre-production production.
What?
Muhammad Ali is asking what are the steps in pre-production, post-production and pre-production, production and post-production. Yes, Muhammad Ali, in pre-production first, suppose we are working on a movie. I'll tell you in movie perspective. In movie, first they do the scripting, the story writing and the scripting they do. After that, they do all the graphics designing like character designing, character cloth designing, environment designing, then everything the color setup and color lookup, everything they design first in 2D. Then after the scripting, they do the designing. Then they do the proper structure for the character so that the modeler can use those images as the base reference to create the models.
In
Then
3D.
then after all this process, it comes to production, like it comes to 3D. Then 3D guys take that information and those paintings for their own reference. They do the modeling, then texturing, animation, lighting, rendering. Then after the render process, it went to post production. Then we do the compositing. If any VFX is needed, then we do the VFX. We add the effects part. Then if any, like Sandeepan is doing matte painting, this matte painting, if any BG is required matte painting, we put that in post production only. So pre production matte painting you can directly use in post production. There is no other production level dependent on matte painting. Then directly you can use that in post production. Yes, like in 1 minute I told you the process, but this is a very vast process, and so many other departments, so many other dependencies also are there. This is not a 1 day process. The one movie making it takes 3 to 4 years. One little short film we do in our studio it takes 1 month. So this is a very long process, but this is the process from one department to each department. They passes the file, and with the previous department information you need to work on your own department. Then you need to pass the file to the other department. In lighting, we need matte paint. Yeah, sometimes while doing the lighting, we need matte painting. Suppose we need one particular kind of sky. So obviously for that sky, we need because that sky will bounce the light on the 3D BG. Suppose the BG is sky is that sky is 2D, but our 3 BG is 3D. We need the 2D information light on 3D. So obviously lighting also we need matte paint sometime. Yes, so this is Sandeepan. He is showing his blog spot. So these are the design. This is t-shirt designing. These are some logo designing. Sandeepan, you can you please explain this work, this VFX work you do?
Yeah, the VFX thing is that we will get this kind of a chroma footage.
Okay, so
That
the left side it was the raw footage, and the right side you
yeah,
did the matte
I have
painting.
made the background and they just rotate the character and place in front of the BG, and it will look like that the guy is standing on that particular environment.
Okay, okay. And the bottom part I can see Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, this is the same. This is the ride I did for Dubai Bollywood theme park. So this was a motion graphic is going on in the BG. So this is a environment. This is a reference environment I made for this. So these are the couple of character designs I did for what is it called, a coffee a coffee table book or something, that kind of a book. So I did a couple of mythological characters. These are the characters, someone's personal project, some mm, designing stuff. The same kind of some character designs I did. So these are pretty what is that called, pretty detailed.
So
Everything is
those
pretty.
Sandipan, those character, those mythology character, can you please was that? Yes, this one character. How much time it took for you?
So for me, so this was a very, the project was, very has very short deadline. So I did
Okay.
maybe one character in 1 day or 1.5 day. So I did like this. So this one I did maybe 1.5 day or something. This one, this one is 1.5 day. So it has very less time, this project. So the painted thing I did. So this is kind of this is the use what I did, in regular life. Kind of a chroma we get, and we will do the concept for this. This
Okay,
is,
this is looking like that movie, na Sin City.
yeah, this is 2 years.
Okay, okay, nice, nice work.
So this is kind of a BG for a particular short film I did. So this is kind of same. These are all basic painting. Someone was asking about the character design. This kind of character design is also there. This is all about the characteristics and everything.
Yes, yes, this is what we do before making one movie. We do the character designing, basic color designing. Then this kind of reference, it will go to modeling. Then they will follow this kind of shapes and colors and all to create the model to animate this.
Yeah, to create everything actually. So maybe this is the short we was assuming, this is for a client, for a test project. So we did a, manga kind of a style. So we did a whole composition like this. So just go to the my blogspot is sandeepanmajumdar.blogspot.com, and then you will get all these
Can you
things.
please, Sandeep, copy that blogspot address and put it in the chat box?
Cool.
So Sandeep, whatever the work you showed us, those are really good. But my question is, if anybody did that course, uh, expert course in graphics design, they'll be able to do this kind of work.
Of course. That's why we have designed the courses, right?
Okay, okay.
Definitely, definitely. Definitely, he can he or she can do that. But the thing is, I mean, the courses has covered everything.
But do they need any prior knowledge before joining the course?
If he or she has a proper, drawing knowledge or composition knowledge, that will be great. But that also we can build.
Okay, so from basic only we can teach them to this level.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just taking some, I get some time, so I'm just doing it very
Okay,
quickly.
okay.
No problem. So just yeah, we have already done. So just
So Ayush Sharma is saying Sandeepan is a pro.
dude, I am a pro. That's why I have to serve in the studios. I have to do this. Okay, cool then.
So guys, this is the last part. We'll be closing now. If you have any further queries related to course, related to any software or our institute, you can find out our number. You can go to our website, find out our number, or in the website you can put a comment, or you can go to our Facebook page. We have our Instagram page also. Anywhere you can go and comment, or you can take down the number. You can call us. Then we'll be guiding you through all the process and every information. Okay, so Sandipan, thank you very much. Uh, Thank you, Sandipan and Habib sir, for this free class. Yeah. So this was our second free class. Last week we had lighting compositing free class. That video is available in YouTube page. Our YouTube page. That video is available. So this video is also it will be uploaded in our YouTube page. Maybe tomorrow you can find out the video. So follow our YouTube page. Then you'll get this video, and we have all the other seminar video as well. And we're running one monthly
And there
competition.
is a contest going on, dude.
Yes, yes,
Just
there is a contest, monthly contest going on. Every month we provide some contest. Uh, that contest also, all the information you can get it in our website, and all the already done contest WFA review video and final review video you can find out in our YouTube page. So follow us,
YouTube,
then you'll
Facebook,
get all the information.
Insta, everywhere.
Follow us, you'll get all the information about all the further process seminar, all the further competition, all the further details. And if you want to ask anything, you can take down the number and call us.
Yes.
Okay. So that's all from us. Thank you everyone for joining and asking all those great questions. I think we had a fun to answer you guys, and Sandipan showed us the work that was very good. It was very fun to watch for me only, and I hope everybody learned something new today, at least something, so that they can work on their personal thing. Sandipan, you want to add something?
Yes, I mean, my motive was to enhance their, the what is it called? That
Vision.
they're craving to do something good. I mean,
Yes,
that
yes.
was my motive. That was my idea. But I think if anyone can, uh, anyone get some motivation to work something better, so that is a good thing. And just join with us if you want to learn something interesting. Then we are always available in Click Academy of Digital Art. So that's all.
Okay, that's all
Thank you.
from our side. We'll see you soon with another free classes, maybe, or next month competition.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye. Good night.